Hey, it's Dwayne Desveaux, your Ottawa real estate agent, and today we are in the very popular, the very new community of Eden Wild here in Stittsville, which is located on the west side of Ottawa, just past Canada, just north of Richmond Village. We are going to be touring this TARTAN Model Home. It's an absolutely stunning home, and we'll talk about it more at the end of the video. But for now, for those of you who are returning to my channel, welcome back. For those of you who are new to my channel, as I mentioned, my name is Dwayne Desveaux. I am an Ottawa real estate agent, and I'm out here traveling around to all these new model homes so that I'm able to provide you with content and ideas potentially for your real estate purchases. As always, I'll put my number right here. If you have any questions, you want to see any of these homes, maybe you want to see a home in another community in Ottawa, or you want to purchase a home that's not a brand new home, please reach out. We're always here. We're always glad to help out, even if it's just a tour of these homes. And with that being said, how about we take a look at this model home? I'll zip it. You enjoy. Let's go. All right, welcome to this builder model home sell-off in Stittsville, obviously in the community of Eden Wild. This is a TARTAN Homes CAPELLA Elevation C with a prep kitchen, 3-bed with a loft, 2.5 bath, large laundry room, unfinished basement with 9-foot ceilings. This one was built in 2021. It has designer selections throughout, many upgrades. It's on an oversized lot, absolutely gorgeous house. I think we're going to really enjoy this home walkthrough. Let's do it. Well, folks, this wraps up our tour of this 3-bed, 3-bath with loft double car garage in the heart of Edenville, right here in historic Stittsville. If you're looking for a perfect blend of community charm and modern living, hands down, Edenwild has it all. And you want to hear the best part? This particular model home that we just toured through is right now, at the time of this video, for sale. This is a rare opportunity to get into a premium home on an oversized lot in a fantastic neighborhood. And if you're interested, don't hesitate to reach out. I don't imagine this home is going to last long. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, looking to grow your family, or just looking for a place to settle down, Stittsville has something for everyone. And remember, if you're looking to get in the market, if you're looking to make a move, I'm here to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. So feel free to reach out. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my future tours around Ottawa's best communities. And of course, if you have any questions about this property or any other property in the city, please feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to help. And with that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.